My name is David Morton. I'm the Landscape Curator here at Brucemore. It's a 26-acre estate located in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and it's one of the few National Trust historic sites in the Midwest. And this show is about how to create this little piece of paradise in your own backyard. A day in the life of a gardener. You don't know this plant. Parisian Shield, huh? Well, those are pretty. Never seen those before. These are morning glories. What's neat about them is they usually open up in the mornings. Of course, we have a cool afternoon here too, but then they would close up in the hot afternoon sun. There's also 4 o'clocks and they open up in the afternoon. So they close up at night or in the mornings, and then they open up in the afternoon. That's why they call them 4 o'clocks. So at 4 o'clock, you can see, you'll know what time it is by your flowers opened up. No, may not be exactly 4 o'clock, but they open up in the afternoon. Nature is just wild that way. This is a potato vine. I've never seen this color. I've only seen like the lime or the purple, but this looks like a hybrid the two, or maybe it is the yellow. It's just, no, I don't know, but it looks like a, gosh, look how beautiful that is. It's covering the whole thing. Oh, is that a snail plant? Oh, I forget now. I'm gonna have to find out because it's just gonna bug me. So even I have to cheat sometimes. Look, take a picture. We have these little computers in our pockets, and if you're going to carry it around, you might as well use it once in a while. So let me see. Look up the plant, and it is a hyacinth bean. I knew it. See, I told you. But look how pretty the flower is on those. A purple flower, purple leaf, nice little vine there. That would be something fun to maybe grow up the white trellis at Brucemore. I think they're annual. But yeah, pretty hyacinth. These are all different kinds of annual salvias, but look how bright they are. Butterflies love them, bees love them. And next to lantanas, those are awesome. They're just gorgeous when they're all planted in a row like that. And of course, here we got some beautiful zinnias. Every garden should have a zinnia. Oh, look how colorful. Just gorgeous. Butterflies love them. Pesto basil. Look at that. Beautiful. Variegated leaves. Smells like basil. Looks like basil. If it smells like basil and looks like basil, it's probably basil. Heliotrope, huh? Summer heliotrope. Look at that. That looks like more of a ground cover. Beautiful flower. Yep, kind of fragrant. Not as fragrant as the bigger one, but here's the heliotrope I'm used to. This is just a great plant. Of course, it's an annual here, but you plant these in mass and you can really have this beautiful, sort of like a vanilla fragrance. It's just beautiful. King size golden. Straw flower. Make a great cut flower. Oh, and here's a cool little vine too. This little Thurinbergia. Looks like it has a little black center, and look how dainty the flowers are. Sweet. Castor beans. These are a neat looking plant. They get really tall in just a very short time. I haven't tried these. Our neighbor has them at Brucemore, but I haven't tried them. I'm gonna have to try those. Well, they got some kale over there, and some beautiful impatiens over here. I should try those again. We used to grow a lot of impatiens, and then there was this fungus that was preventing them from growing very well for a while there, so I haven't had them for a good 5 or 6 years. But these look pretty good, so I might want to try them again. They're beautiful when they nest out in color. big, and there's some double ones even. Double, and it looks like maybe some beginnings. This has been great. It's so nice to have a space like this to explore and to learn. So thank you to Noelridge Park and the Lynn County Master Gardeners, and thank you for joining us on a day in the life of a garden. And until next time, remember, every garden counts. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel.